is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? So we are finally ready, to start up the Red Rocket. So everything's done. We got the meth lines hooked up. All the oiling lines are hooked up. The intake's on. We are going to be currently using a 2-bar map sensor, even though I have a 3-bar map sensor in the back, but I am waiting on the extension harness for that 3-bar. So right now we just have a line going here to the 2-bar back there that's plugged in currently. I know this thing should have no problem starting up on a 2-bar map with just an idle tune on it. It should be okay. So we got my 2-step on. We will be using my 2-step for my white car. Got the electric fan hooked up. Got antifreeze filled up here. I'm sure you guys are really excited to hear this sucker fire up. Mitch, what about you? Mitch is kind of like, whatever, dude, just make it happen. So guys, this is freaking great. So I'm ecstatic. I am freaking ecstatic right now. So first and foremost, I want to thank all my sponsors. I want to thank Lunati. I want to thank Starp's Performance. I want to thank Golen Engines for what they've done for me. I want to really give a big thanks to Huron Speed for what they've done for me. They've supplied me with all the turbo setup. Golen Engines supplied me with the engine, and Lunati supplied me with the cam, and Shark Performance supplied me with the intake, which was very awesome of those guys. So please do me a big favor. Go down below in my description at the bottom. There's going to be a space that says sponsors. Please go in there and click on their links, check out their social media, check out their websites, and if you need anything, please do me a favor, go check them out and see if there's anything they can help you out with. I'm very sure that they are able to help you out with something. But yeah, guys, you guys are probably as anxious as I am to get this thing started. So we're going to fire this thing up. Hopefully it has enough of battery life. We've been having the charger on it here because the battery's kind of dead. I don't know if I showed you guys this, but that's our makeshift battery box per se down there that me and Mitch made. A little plate with one of the battery anchors there, and then a battery anchor back there as well. I'm not sure if you guys were able to see that, but got plenty of, there's like noises back there and stuff. Got plenty of engine oil in this thing. We do got to top off the transmission fluid, but we're not going to do that until we have it running for a little bit. Whew. It's been a long journey, guys. It's been a long journey. So if you guys are ready, let's make this happen. Let's start this thing up and see what it sounds like. I'm gonna have Mitch come over when he's done with this SRT a little bit here. He's gonna keep an eye on everything and watch everything. Make sure it doesn't like blow up or catch on fire. We do got a lot of heat wrap between the piping and the exhaust, between that radiator and that exhaust pipe. We just don't want things to get hot. So this reflective tape, plus we have, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's also more padding in there. So there's a lot of padding in there to keep heat away from those components. Mitch made this really awesome little bracket for me for my boost controller here, my dial of death, as they say. So that's nicely done. He also, another thing, since my alternator's up here at the top, the original bracket for my Mighty Mouse catch cam would not work. So he ended up making a custom bracket. I don't know if you guys can see that. You might not be able to see it. That extends it out a little bit further and makes it work easier with this alternator up at the top. This kit, and I said this before in other videos, this kit does allow the alternator to be ran down below. But I already had the relocation bracket for it, so I just figured I'd keep it up here where I had it. It's nicely adjustable, which makes it a lot easier, so I can adjust this belt really tight. That way it doesn't have any flex to it, as very little flex to it. But are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, guys, we're gonna start this thing up, but I think we're gonna be ready to rock and roll here. So, whew. We got the fire extinguisher.
Yes.
We got that ready to go. Burnouts for days. This thing will start on your charger, right? Oh, really? Alrighty. We're gonna hook up the jump box, guys. Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, it's been sitting for a while, so. Alright, guys, we're gonna get the jump box on it because the jump box has been charging, so we're gonna get that on it. And what I should honestly do is I should go in here to my HP tuners
and HP tune the shit out of this
and start logging while I fire this puppy dog up. So, right there.
Got 12.5 just on the battery.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you can even see it in here. It's charged up a good bit. 199,000 miles, guys, on this freaking car. Let's start that. Let's start that. We ready to rock and roll?
Ready.
All right, here we go, guys. The moment of truth. Everything look good?
I'm looking.
Looking good?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Send it.
Oh, it's a running! It's idling funny, but fuck it. Oh, that's just a tune, that's all. Oh, air fuel's all over the damn place. We got all kinds of shit going on there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let it heat up. This is the first time this car's ever fired, guys.
What?
This is the first time this car's ever fired. We're gonna let her heat up because we need to top off the fluid and check training fluid, please. And we're gonna idle it up and down to get things going here. That way we can start seating the rings and everything. Oh, come on, baby. Everything's smoking.
Yeah. I think it's just.
It's just all the piping and the headers and everything. That's all. Holy smokes. Alright, we're gonna turn this off. We're gonna focus on this right now, but I just wanted you guys to hear it start up. It's pretty freaking awesome. So we're gonna break this thing in right now on the not on the dyno. Oh my god, what am I thinking? We're gonna break this thing on the lift here, get the rings seated real quick, and let it heat up. We're gonna do a few heat cycles on it, and then we'll probably end up taking it for a drive at lunchtime here, which we'll do a little video about that maybe either in this one or another one. But we'll be right back, guys. There you guys have it. Freaking the red rocket is running. She still needs a little bit of tuning going on, but we're gonna get that straightened out hopefully here before the call out on the 23rd of June down in North Carolina. But other than that, guys, there you go, man. This thing's sounding fucking mean. Big old freaking turbo making its debut. Brand new engine making its debut. We're gonna start it up one more time here before we leave the shop. You guys won't hear that because I'll be making this video at that point in time. And get her heated up one more time to break in the ring and all that fun stuff. But other than that, guys, I mean, there she is. Like I said, we still have a lot of tuning to do. Once that's all done, she will be ready for the races. If you guys enjoyed this video, please do me a big favor, subscribe, give it a big thumbs up. Instagram, Diablo from the Racing. Facebook is also Diablo from the Racing. Like usual, guys. Deuces.